So today I am going to show you all how I meal prep to put on size. So what I will be cooking today is going to be, let me grab it. Got the boneless chicken tenderloins, and then you have the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I really love chicken thighs because of the flavor, and especially when I'm in the bulking phase. Chicken thighs do have some fat in them. The boneless chicken tenderloins do not have any fat. And I first really got into eating chicken thighs from watching Chris Jones' channel, because he eats it with jasmine rice a lot. So that's actually what I'll be making today. It's going to be chicken thighs and jasmine rice, and also I'm going to do chicken breasts and jasmine rice. So right now I have the stove just on low, and I have olive oil in the pot already, and also in the, what would I call this, a pan, a skillet. So I have olive oil already in there, so y'all can see. And then for my chicken breasts, let me, I'm going to do the chicken breast in the oven. So I'm going to do the chicken breast in the oven, and then I have just some olive oil that I can spray on this pan. So already have some onions cut up that my wife cut up for me already, and garlic. So we are going to put that in the pan with the chicken thighs. And then also, last but not least, gotta have some veggies in there. So we'll be just having some broccoli, and then I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. So I highly suggest meal prepping because, one, it can save you time for making bad, unhealthy eating decisions when you're on the go. And also, it can save you money because this is a lot less expensive than going out and eating fast food all the time. So I'm about to get ready to prep the food. So I won't be talking while I'm prepping it, but I will capture some footage to show you all me prepping the food, and then we'll be back to see the finished product. All right, see you in a minute. saw, my wife just flipped the chicken over. So in about 5 minutes, we're going to add the jasmine rice to the pan with the chicken thighs. We're not going to add all of it though, because we still want some jasmine rice for our chicken tenderloins, which I'm about to put in the oven now. I'm waiting on the oven to warm up, and then once the oven warms up, we'll probably go ahead and add some of the jasmine rice to the chicken thighs. So we will show you when we are adding that. See you in a minute. Alright, so meal prep is complete. I will show you all what we have. We have the boneless chicken tenderloins. We have broccoli. And then we have another bag of this in the freezer. So whenever this runs out, which I love broccoli, which will probably be, today is Monday, so by probably tomorrow, after tomorrow, so probably for Wednesday, I'll heat up that other bag of broccoli. And then we have the jasmine rice here that we're going to put with the chicken tenderloins. And then my favorite right here, we have the chicken thighs and rice. The chicken thighs is up under that rice, and the rice is nice and brown, and it took up all the seasoning and juices that were in this pan. So this will last for the remainder of the week. And then you see, I just got, let me break this down for y'all real quick. So I got one Tupperware bowl, and what I'm going to do is, for my meal tomorrow, I'm going to put whatever I'm going to eat tomorrow in this one. And then when I get home from work tomorrow, I'm going to wash this out and then put the meal for Wednesday in here. That way I don't have 5, 6, 7 different Tupperware bowls that I have to worry about washing. So I'm just going to keep using this same one. No, in all honesty, this is the only this is the only Tupperware bowl like this that we have. So we do need to get some more Tupperware bowls like this.
We have glass containers.
We have glass containers,
yeah.
But my wife didn't pull those out, so.
Oh yeah, but I thought you wanted just like this type that divided it.
All right, you all, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about meal prep, or if you meal prep yourself, let me know what you cook in the comment section below, and share this video with someone that may help, because I used to be that person that made a lot of bad decisions. Also, when it came to eating fast food, spending a ton of money, and ignore the people that say eating healthy or eating clean is expensive, because that's not the case. They're just looking for an excuse to eat garbage. But alright, subscribe, like the video, share. Had to say it twice just in case y'all forgot. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.